To win at Lotto in a one state, one must correctly select 7 numbers from a collection of 48 numbers, 1 through 48. The order in which the selection is made does not matter. How many different selections are possible? When we're told, we're trying to find out how many ways of doing something, one of the questions we ask ourselves is, can we repeat an item? And then also, does the order matter? So here I have to select 7 numbers from 48, so I'm not allowed to repeat. So I'm thinking combinations or permutation. And then I'm also told that the order does not matter. That means I'm going to be using combinations. Okay, so for combinations, I said, all right, well, how many items do I have to choose from? There are 48 numbers altogether, and I need to pick 7 of them. So that's the number. That number there is going to be our answer. Now, a lot of calculators have a function built into them that will work out combinations and permutations. So if you want, talk to me about your calculator, and I'll let you know if it's on there and how to use it. If not, then going by the formula, you're going to take your 48 factorial, goes in the numerator, and in the denominator, remember it's going to be n minus r factorial, and then r factorial. So we have 48 factorial divided by 41 factorial times 7 factorial. Now these are going to be some rather large numbers. Again, even if you don't have the combinations formula, if you have a factorial key on your calculator, it should go ahead and work out those for you. So you can hit 48 factorial divided by 41 factorial, then hit enter, and then divide by 7 factorial. And most calculators will handle that. Okay, so the other possibility is to go ahead and, 48 factorial is 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, all the way down, so 41 factorial. And then in the denominator, we have 41 factorial and then 7 factorial. So it's 41 factorial and then 7 factorial. The 41 factorials here will cancel each other out. And so then I'm going to be left with, the 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42 divided by 7 factorial, which is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So like I said, this is a little bit smaller. You can multiply those out and then divide them. Some students will cancel a little bit, like 7 times 6 will cancel with the 42 and so forth. Okay. Regardless of which way you work out your numbers, you should end up with 73,629,000, I think it's, and then 72. So again, several different ways. If you knew how to set it up and your question is about reducing these large numbers, get back to me with your calculator.